Do not push me.
No, look, Missy, move.
So you were going like this and you went like what?
Yeah, I went like this.
Why is it ringing?
Sarah's mom.
Sarah, what?
Hello. Hey. What? Okay. Bye.
What's your say?
The baby's awake.
Okay, Sarah, call our parents and ask if we can go over to Sarah's. Watch out, I'm gonna try to fall down the stairs now. Holy shit! I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were falling if I did that. I didn't get that on camera. Can you do it again?